Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can complain about some account in TikTok. Friends, please put your likes under the video, be sure to write your comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, friends, let's get started. And first you will need to open, of course, the TikTok app itself. Then select the account you'd like to complain about and go to that account. Now friends, you'll need to click on this arrow on the top right. Next, select Complain or Report. Next, friends, you can choose what specific thing you would like to report to the TikTok team. So, for example, you would like to complain about this account, or you would like to complain only about a certain video. Then you would choose the second option. So, if you want to, say, complain about an account, then click on the first option. Next, you'll need to choose a reason or what you're not happy with. What exactly you would like to complain about. This is kind of individual, so you will choose this reason already according to the situation. Then, after you have chosen all the options, let's say you need to get to a page like this, where the last thing you need to do is to click this red button at the bottom to send your complaint to this page on TikTok. That's it, folks. That's how you'll be able to welcome any account on the TikTok app. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please, friends, put your likes under the video, write comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care.